Hey guys, how's it going? We are taking a deep dive into how to get started with Xcode so you can build iOS apps in no time. Let's go deep. Now in this video, we are looking at how to build and run your project. If you followed the previous videos of this tutorial, you already know how to set up a new project and you are already familiarized with the various panes of Xcode and their main settings. On the top, you will find the Run and Stop buttons. The Run button builds your code, and in case of success, you will see a visual logo confirming build succeeded, and your app will run on the device you have specified on the right. Xcode includes a few built-in simulators, which is great to test your app in different devices. And you can also choose another simulator on the button Add Additional Simulators, then click on the plus button and choose the iPhone or iPad model you prefer. You can also plug an iPhone to your Mac and it will come up under Devices. And after an initial setup, your Mac will recognize your iPhone. However, the simulator will be enough for you to start developing iOS apps in case you don't have an iPhone. You can also connect an iPhone on Xcode via Wi-Fi, and to do that, go to Window, Devices and Simulators. You plug your iPhone and it comes as connected, then choose the option that says Connect via Network. However, through my experience, I find the cable connection way more reliable than the wireless version, but that may be different with you. If we run the app in the simulator, it will take some time the very first time you try to run it, as there's a lot of things to install. Once your app loads, you can see the UI you built on your main.storyboard file. Now, let's add some code into the view controller. Let's print a simple text message, and once we run our app again, we can see that text printed on the console. If we set a breakpoint and we run again, our code will stop at this exact spot and we can assess the state of the app and variable values. In this panel here, you can control the flow of your app, going in, going out, stepping over, or even continue program execution until the next breakpoint is hit or the end of your code. You can remove breakpoints by dragging them out of your editor like this. The UI debugger is also a cool feature that allows the programmer to have a visual feedback on how the UI is behaving. So if you blow this out of proportions, you can see a 3D visualization of all the layers of your UI. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you found this tutorial useful. I will see you on the next video.